In this video, we are going to play Spot the Fake, FedEx or UPS email. Now that we are shipping a lot more, the bad guys out there are exploiting users with fake emails that will infect and hijack your computer, your data, and your life. Let's look at real emails bad guys are sending and play Spot the Fake. See how you can win by not getting infected and tricked. We're using Microsoft Outlook and we've collected a few of the bogus emails. We're going to review these, so let's start at the top. This one is clearly says from FedEx, but it's from jackphelan.com. Here is another interesting clue. You can see this message right here asking you to open it up in a web browser. You can right click and you can see the source again has nothing to do with FedEx. So let's keep going here. If you hover over the tracking number, which would be intuitive to click on and go see if your package has arrived or where it's at, it tells you that the link is going to gunnegotiator.net, and the rest of the gibberish just tells you that it's an infected website. So you would not want to click on this, otherwise you would probably get infected or hijacked in one way or another. So let's look at another one. Again, we're going to start at the top. Look, it says it's from FedEx, but this one says it's coming from norcomsystems.com. It's almost invariably a fake, that it did not come from norcomsystems.com. And we can hover over the tracking number again. It is coming from some other foreign website, has nothing to do with FedEx. The other clue is we weren't shipping anything. We weren't expecting anything. This is a different type of message. It's actually forging the header and it says it's coming from FedEx. However, it's not. It's fake. This particular type of attachment is an image file. The guys are trying to get you to download this file and extract it like a zip file type of thing, and that's where the payload starts to do its damage on you. Here's another one. Again, we're playing Stop and Spot the Fake. So FedEx delivery. Michelle at previews cement offer furpo.top. That's useless, bad, and we don't want to go there. This one has several places where it's giving you bad information. So the email says it's coming from one place. You hover your mouse over this one. Let's innovatelife.com. Isn't that appropriate? Clearly fake. Let's go down the email a little farther. Let's innovate life again. And that's all the last of the links for that part of it. Let's see what we have here. It's still taking you to fake website, not FedEx. It's trying to forge it. It's getting these graphics straight off the FedEx website and inserting them in a fake email. You can unsubscribe, and this goes to a different address again, adventsourceespinol.org. And this one is going to an actual email address for somebody that's probably hijacked. This email account, Arkansas at cellulitestop.org, is either a fake website altogether or somebody's email that's been hijacked. Next. Starting at the top, another fake sender address. Here we are. Let's hover over it. This is an interesting one. autismpartnershiph.com, and it has SHIPPH.com. If this was the real site, I'm going to guess that it might be autismpartnership.com without the PH. So somebody has gone through the effort of registering a fake yet similar domain to probably a legitimate organization to do their bad work. They're telling you the package has already been delivered. You're wondering, where is it at? Hover over it again. We're not clicking on these, we're just hovering right now. We're going to go down here. Similar idea. If you remember the previous fake email, it was going to a website, and it was not this one, MERHIGE, but the same idea. It's another infected, hijacked website the bad guys are using. Here's another fake email that they're just trying to collect your data. You send an email to subscribe or unsubscribe, and they know they've got a live body. Here's another one that's faking that it's coming from Fedex. This one has a 7-zip attachment. So many people are familiar with 7-zip, WinZip, extracted emails. They're going to try to get you to download this, which is both trying to fake itself as a PDF and a zip, but it's actually a zip file, not a PDF. Until you open it, you wouldn't know what's in it, and we're not going to open it here as a demo. It's not necessary. We need to discard these. Here's another similar one. Again, it's trying to pose as a PDF, but it's a zip file. It's compressed. The language and the English is not perfect. You're probably going, hey, NOA and LOA, why is it doing this? And how did I get our reef is shock from ocean operations to start emailing me about FedEx information? Totally fake, totally fake. We hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about playing Spot the Fake, and that you can keep yourself protected from bad emails with a little bit of this information, hovering instead of clicking. As always, find yourself a good IT company to help you with your websites, networks, and computers. Powered by the One at One Call Service. Thank you for your time.